In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play 2 players on Dragon Ball Sparking Zero offline. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As long as you have an additional controller connected to your console on any platform, you will be able to do a 2-player battle in Sparking Zero. So start the game and choose Battle and Training at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you choose Battle and Training, select Battle, Offline, and finally you will find Player 1 versus Player 2. Now make sure that you have your controller connected to your platform. If you are on PlayStation, you will usually press the PlayStation button or press the PlayStation and the share button simultaneously to connect it wirelessly, or you can use a cable. If you are on an Xbox, there's also going to be a dedicated button, or you can use a cable, whatever you prefer. But simply ensure that you have 2 controllers connected, one for player 1 and another one for player 2. If they are connected, proceed, and now each player will be able to choose their roster of characters. You can swap the player or the team by pressing L1 and R1, so player 1 will be able to fill up these 5 slots. Same thing for player 2. Once each of you have selected your roster of characters and both are good to go, you can head over into Stage Select or choose Start Battle, and you will begin immediately. So, very simple to do, works on any platform, and you can do player 1 versus player 2 offline as long as you choose it from the Battle and Training option. So I hope I was able to help you on how to do 2-player battles offline. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.